Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you, and I hope you all are safe. Maybe excited for my class, so I'm here to teach you SST because before the summer vacation I just used to teach you English, but here after the vacation I just started to teach you SST. Before summer vacation I think I teach you SST through Ylings, but I'm here to teach you SST right now and recording the videos for you, so that whatever is in the book, that I will go through the book and I will explain to you. And I might guess that you have completed your healthy and delicious breakfast, so eat healthy and stay happy at home. And I think that you guys had enjoyed your vacation and you have completed your all holiday homework in good handwriting, so please complete it. If you don't feel it's not completed, then please complete it, because whenever the school will open, I will ask the homework, holiday homework, in fact the online classes homework also, and you have to show me the all homeworks. So if you have the book, then please open it. I am explaining you the chapter 1 in our SST, early humans, and if you have the book, then you also read with me. If you don't have, then please purchase it as soon as possible. And please, I request all of you to please stay at home and enjoy your quality time with your family members. And you can play like playing the ludos, carom, then video games. In fact, you can read the book also. You can complete your work also, what you received in online classes, and whatever the work is there, you can complete that work. And please don't go outside. It's better that we can enjoy online classes as well as your quality time with your family members. So in this chapter, what we will see about the early humans, means that to whom we are called the early humans, how they lived, what they eat. So in this chapter we will see the lifestyle of early humans. So first of all, you can see and take out the page number 7, and please open it, and whatever the homework you will receive in online classes after finishing the chapter 1, the new word and exercise, please complete it in your fair copy, SST fair copy. You have to make one SST fair copy, so that whatever the homework I will give you, so you have to write down it in your fair copy. And once the school will open, I will ask the homework, you have to show me, because I have all the data. So please show me and please complete down on time. Now you can see the page number 7, one picture is there here. It's picture, early humans picture, you can see carefully. And if you have book, then you can also see the book. And who do we think these people are? Now these people, who they are? These people are early humans. These people are what? These people are early humans. Sorry. Next. Many years ago, many years ago, people lived a very simple life. Simple life like that, because they don't have the television, they don't have like a TV, they don't have the washing machine, they don't have the mobile, they don't have the video games, so they don't have anything. So they just live their life very in simplest way. In fact, they don't have the house also, the cloth also they don't have. Then that's so that people, what they lived a simple life, very simple life. They were called early humans. So that people, what they call, we are calling early humans. Early humans. The picture is also there. You can see on your left side, picture is there, one woman and early woman. Humans are there, men and women. So again, I'm repeating that. What is early humans? Early humans is what? Many years ago. Many years ago, people lived a very simple life. People lived a very simple life. They were called early humans, early humans. So again I am repeating, if you want to note down in your copy or anywhere, then you can write down. If you don't have the book, then I am just repeating, you also write. Many years ago. Many spelling is like that, MANY. Many years, YEARS, years ago, AGO. So many years ago, people lived. People, PEOPLE, people lived, LIVED, lived a very simple life, very, VERY, simple, SIMPLE, simple life, LIFE, very simple life. They were called early humans. They THEY, they were WERE, were called CALLED, called early humans, EARLY, early humans, HUMANS, early humans. Again I am repeating, please you match that whatever you have written in your copy. Many years ago, many years ago, people lived a very simple life. People lived a very simple life, full stop. They were called early humans. They were called early humans. Now, who were early humans? Were they like us? Means they just wear the clothes like us, they can speak like us, they can eat like us, they can think like us. Then they are different from us. The answer is what? They are very different from us, because we just used to wear the clothes from the plant, from the clothes which we get from the plant and animal, and it's like a fashion dress, like cotton dress we wear. But the early humans, what they used to wear the animal skin. With the help of animal skin, they just cover their bodies. So what, they are very different from us. They don't look like us, they are very different from us. Now in page number 7 you have some questions are there. Look at the picture of early humans. Means here is early humans picture are there, and you have to look that picture and write yes or no, and question answer are there, questions are there, and you have to write down the yes or no. Then the first question is what? Are they wearing clothes like us? You can see the picture in page number 7. I'm just going to show you the picture. Here it is. You can see these what? They wear the clothes like us. It's the answer is what? No. 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 Because they just wore the clothes of animal skin. So they don't. They are not wearing clothes like us. So the answer is what? No. Next is, do you think they are wearing clothes made of cloth? Do you think they wearing clothes made of cloth? The answer is what? It's a no. No. Why? Because they wear the clothes of animal skin. First they just kill the animal, hunt the animal, and then afterward they just wear the animal skin. So they are not wearing the clothes made of cloth. So the answer is no. Next page is page number 7. So in page number 7 there is a lifestyle of early humans, that what they eat, what they just what they used to eat the food. So that all the lifestyle of early human that we will see in the next video, lecture number 2. So please guys watch the lecture number 2. Thank you and have a nice day.